Zero to One, Notes on Startups, or How to Build the Future, is a book written by Peter Thiel, the co-founder of PayPal and Palantir, and Blake Masters. The concept of innovation and building successful startups. It provides valuable insights and advice on entrepreneurship, technology, and creating a better future. Zero to One Mindset. Thiel emphasizes the importance of creating something unique and going from zero to one, rather than simply imitating existing ideas or businesses. He believes that true innovation comes from creating something entirely new that has the potential to transform industries and society. The power of monopoly. Thiel argues that successful startups should aim to achieve monopoly-like characteristics by creating products or services that have little to no competition. Monopolies provide an opportunity for sustained success, profitability, and the ability to shape the market. Building a strong team. The significance of having a strong and cohesive team. Thiel stresses the importance of hiring talented individuals who share the same vision and values. A well-rounded team with diverse skill sets can help a startup overcome challenges and achieve its goals. Technology and innovation. Thiel emphasizes the role of technology in driving progress and disruption. He encourages entrepreneurs to focus on technological advancements and breakthroughs to create new and transformative businesses. Thiel discusses the importance of asking critical questions about the future and the potential impact of technology. The Lean Startup Methodology. While the book challenges some aspects of the popular Lean Startup methodology, it acknowledges the value of being nimble and adaptable in the early stages of a startup. It encourages entrepreneurs to iterate and learn from customer feedback but also stresses the need for long-term planning and vision. Distribution and sales. Thiel discusses the importance of effective distribution and sales strategies. Building a great product is not enough. It is crucial to have a clear plan for reaching and acquiring customers. Contrarian thinking. Thiel advocates for contrarian thinking and challenging conventional wisdom. He believes that true innovation often comes from questioning existing beliefs and assumptions. By thinking differently and challenging the status quo, entrepreneurs can discover untapped opportunities. Zero to One provides valuable insights and thought-provoking ideas for aspiring entrepreneurs and anyone interested in innovation and building successful businesses. It encourages readers to think big, take risks, and create a future that is distinctly different from the present.